I don't know how people do this like every day, or like they must have some serious like machines, because this I'll be here till like next Thursday.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't think this is probably the best sander in the world.
I know, but I'm just gonna sand it by hand and hope for the best, because that's the only option I got now. I don't know. I guess when you do it yourself and you gotta make it happen, you just find ways. But yeah, this definitely didn't work out as planned.
You got to come see me though.
I know, and I'm about to go get some chicken wings because I'm hungry.
Wing night.
And I thought I was gonna powder, or I was gonna sandblast my hitch. Heck no. That's it.
You're having enough trouble with this damn tank.
Yeah. What?
She said put me in it, so I zoomed in on her.
What's up, guys, and welcome back or to the channel. Today was supposed to be an exciting video of me getting everything powder coated, everything down to raw metal, and we'll be able to get everything ready for us to powder coat with our new oven back here. And what's on top is our powder coater. I'm going to be unboxing that in a second, but I'm going to show you how that went not anywhere near as planned. So yeah, as you can see, this is as far as we got on the sandblasting. It wasn't really anything that had to do with the sandblaster. It was more of the air compressor in the air tank. There wasn't enough capacity to keep it pressurized for that long, so it would just kind of whittle out and it would just be taking forever. So we stopped here, but I did see that on Eastwood, where I got the powder coating machine from, they do make a stripper, or I think aircraft stripper or something, will strip powder coating or paint off of these objects. So I'm going to probably try that out here either today or tomorrow, and we'll be able to strip. I'm going to see if I can strip the rest of this powder off. If not, I'll sand it off. I'll just be powdering the tank. Obviously I didn't even break in the air tank bracket here, but if the stripper works on this, I'll definitely strip all the powder off of this, and I'll also shoot this purple. But the trip wasn't fully a bust. We also picked up, finally, our steering stabilizers for the front of this truck. Oh man, this took forever to come in. So yes, this bracket that's obviously been sitting here for a while will finally go on my truck to hold the new cool steering stabilizers, and my front end and lift kit will be finally complete. The trip was also not a fail, because I want to give a huge shout out to Tom for helping not only me but also Katie out, who is not here right now, but helping her out with some tires for her truck. She needed new tires, and Tom really hooked us up on this set right here that he had. So I just want to say thank you for that. Obviously a lot of you want me to do some crazy lift on her truck. Don't worry, she doesn't really want to keep that truck. She wants to buy a Super Duty, so we're getting there. It'd be a waste of money if we lifted that truck when she wants to lift her Super Duty when she gets it, or whatever else she gets into. So right now we're just gonna get her through the winter, and she'll be getting a new truck sooner than later. But huge shout out to Tom hooking us up with a set of meats for her truck. And finally, a lot of you love these lights, and my Instagram picture got beyond more than enough love of the tail lights. Thing got like 8,000 likes almost. That's insane. The response is unreal about these custom lights that Retro Shop did of these Morimoto heads and tails. And with that, a lot of you were asking, oh, can I buy your stock lights? Can I buy your stock lights? Where are your stock lights at? What are you doing with them? What's going on? If you guys are considering / want those lights, they're sold. But my buddy came and picked them up the other day. Look at the transformation of his truck. A lot of you are asking what I'm doing with my stock headlights. He's just gonna try them out for size right now. On the Timberland green, we're gonna see how they look. Obviously this is the older style headlight with just like the cornered amber turn. 10 to 12 had this style headlight, then they swapped over to that, but it's the same size, so it should work. Oh my goodness. I'm not just looking at it through here, that looks so much better. And no longer for sale. No, that honestly looks so much better. Oh my god. Actually looks mean now and not like lame. No.
Style-wise?
They're the same lights, but mine are night shaded, so these are gonna look freaking, oh my god, so much better too. Oh my gosh, yes. That looks so much better already too. Honestly, it almost makes the truck look green now. Like, looks more green with the black lights. That looks real good though. Yeah, that looks awesome. It's the little things. So like I said, if you guys want those lights, at the dealership. They're like 300 bucks. Almost cheaper than any aftermarket headlights, and you're getting OEM quality. 4th gen, just sport black headlights. They're definitely worth the investment, trust me. Ooh, baby. Now, with all that being said, it's finally time to unbox our brand new powder coater from Eastwood. We're definitely gonna be putting this to some great use up here. If I can even get it out of the box. So I ordered the dual voltage because it literally was like, I mean, it provides you with a better coverage. Simple as that. It wasn't much more money. It was like either $109 or like $130. So I said, why not buy the better one for like 30 bucks more? Something like that. So literally here is the whole system itself. Literally this box is gonna put a negative charge out to here, which will clip to whatever metal piece you are powder coating. Then the box will also provide a positive charge to the powder. And obviously you guys know, opposites attract. The powder will stick to the metal, and that's all she wrote. We could probably run it off that small compressor. I know a lot of you were asking me in the bed liner video what kind of compressor were you using. This is it, a Campbell Housefield, pretty much standard, 13 gallon, 5 horsepower. This thing got me through life pretty much. Me and my buddy have pretty much the same compressor. Whew, that actually scared me. I forgot that was on. Ideally, I want one of those giant stand compressors, but in due time and definitely when I could get myself a shop. So I know a lot of you want to see me load it up there again. However, obviously we just did. Ooh, this feels even better now. We just did the bed liner in this truck, but oh, this bed liner feels awesome actually. Oh yeah, Raptor liner. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. But oh, this stuff is awesome. Okay.
Right?
Turn the bars.
Yes.
Okay. Squeeze. Just, yeah, kick it down.
Okay.
And then turn the key off. Perfect. Thank you. Oh, we did great. Slid right in there. Not that it's like a huge impact, but put it to actual use. And it doesn't belong in there. You need a black one. I feel bad that we're gonna end up getting this whole bed muddy. Oh, this is so nice. It's so clean. Oh, I love this. Remember when I said I wanted to do another liner? We're actually gonna be doing another one. One of Katie's friends wanted their truck done, so we're gonna be doing that as well. But oh, this Raptor liner, guys, is just oh, it's incredible. I love it. Okay, so just stopped at the hardware store actually, and I did meet one of you guys, which was crazy. It was honestly awesome. Super cool. But what we got was paint stripper. Now here's the thing that frustrates me. So people say you can use paint stripper to strip powder coating off of items, which should work. However, with new laws or whatever, you'll see that it's non-methylene chloride formula. That stuff made this stuff more potent, and it worked so much better back in the day. So I don't know how this is going to react. I've never done this before exactly, but at the same time, this new formula may or may not work better. Taking that chemical out of there might make this just a complete waste of time, but we're going to find out here. Here is our half blasted air tank, and we are going to coat this with the stripper today, and hopefully it all flakes off. Okay, it says pour some of this in like a pan, and we're just gonna take this gooey gel and we're gonna put it on this tank here. Now the stuff says it works in 15 minutes. We will see about all of that. So we'll come back in like 15 minutes and see how that's doing. Honestly, I hope all of it just starts flaking up, peeling off, and we'll be good to go. And I can honestly try and use this on the horn blasters, the mount, and then maybe even my hitch. But we're gonna start with this and see where we go. All right, guys, well here are our results. So as you can see, it did kind of get, I don't know, turn the powder coating a little rubbery, and it didn't like bubble up and peel off. I had to take a razor blade, as you can see, and just go over this entire surface like that. I honestly had to do that. And this is where we stand. So there's two things I could do. I could sit here and hand sand it off with a palm sander or something, go from a heavy grit down to a light grit so it gets all the scratches off too. Or I googled, there is a sandblasting company decently close down the road from my house. It's a bit of a hike, but not that far. I'm gonna call them in the morning and I'm gonna get a quote on this air tank, and while I'm at it, I might as well blast my hitch, the support bars, the air tank bracket. I'm gonna see if I should if I could get all those blasted. I figure I might as well just have it blasted right so it powder coats just fine and there's no crap dealing with it, and there's bad angles in there too that are just not going to get hand sanded well. So I might as well just call them up, get a quote, and try and get the sandblasting done at a place that has, like, first of all, the air capacity and all that stuff to actually blast correctly. That's what's happening. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. If you did enjoy today's video, shoot this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. It should be a mixture of taking these, the sandblasting, and starting either testing powder coat on our diff cover, or some other small parts like a wrench or something. It should be starting to test the powder coat on that stuff. I don't know what else, but we will be powder coating very, very soon here. I just got to get this stuff sandblasted. Like I said, if I'm taking the tank somewhere to get blasted, I might as well do the hitch and everything else too. So seam a crunch, right? So it's rough. I will see you guys in the next video.